Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Qiangshen 6-passenger electric auto rickshaw. Today, we have something exciting for all auto rickshaw enthusiasts, the Qiangshen 6-passenger electric auto rickshaw 2025 model. If you're looking for an eco-friendly, spacious, and powerful electric rickshaw, this one might just be perfect for you. We'll go over its design, performance, features, battery, and everything else you need to know. So, stay tuned as we take a closer look at this electric powerhouse. First, let's talk about the design. The Qiangshen 6-passenger electric auto rickshaw 2025 model has a modern and stylish look. It comes with a sleek body, durable metal frame, and a high-quality paint finish that makes it stand out on the road. The front is designed aerodynamically, helping reduce wind resistance and improving efficiency. The headlights are bright LED lights, ensuring great visibility at night or in low-light conditions. The turn signals and brake lights are also well placed for safety. Moving to the seating capacity, as the name suggests, this electric rickshaw can comfortably accommodate 6 passengers without compromising on space. The seats are well padded with high-quality cushions, providing a comfortable ride even on long journeys. The legroom is spacious, allowing passengers to sit comfortably without feeling cramped. The driver's cabin is also designed ergonomically, giving the driver a comfortable seating position, easy-to-reach controls, and a clear dashboard display. Now, let's talk about the performance and power of the Qiangshen 2025 model. This auto rickshaw is powered by a high-performance electric motor, providing smooth acceleration and powerful torque. Unlike traditional fuel-powered rickshaws, this electric model offers instant torque delivery, making it ideal for city traffic. It can handle inclines with ease and doesn't lose power even when fully loaded. The motor operates quietly and efficiently, reducing noise pollution while offering a smooth ride. One of the most important aspects of an electric auto rickshaw is its battery and range. The Qiangshen 6-passenger electric auto rickshaw comes with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that provides an impressive range on a single charge. Depending on road conditions and load, this rickshaw can travel up to 120 to 150 km per charge, making it a great option for daily commuters and transport services. The battery is fast charging, allowing it to be recharged in a few hours. Plus, it is designed to last longer with a good number of charge cycles, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Now, let's talk about safety and durability. The Qiangshen 2025 model is built with a sturdy chassis that ensures stability even on rough roads. The suspension system is well designed, absorbing shocks and making the ride smoother for both the driver and passengers. The braking system is highly efficient, featuring hydraulic brakes for better stopping power and safety. With this setup, sudden braking becomes much more controlled, reducing the risk of accidents. Another key factor that makes the Qiangshen 6-passenger electric auto rickshaw stand out is its eco-friendliness. As an electric vehicle, it produces zero emissions, helping reduce air pollution. For drivers who want to save money on fuel costs, this rickshaw is an excellent choice because electricity is much cheaper than petrol or diesel. Plus, with many governments offering subsidies and incentives for electric vehicles, owners can benefit from lower operational costs in the long run. Next, let's discuss some additional features that make this auto rickshaw even more convenient. The dashboard includes a digital display that provides important information like speed, battery level, and distance traveled. It also comes with a USB charging port, so drivers can charge their phones while on the go. Some models even offer a built-in audio system, allowing drivers to enjoy music while working. For those concerned about maintenance, the Qiangshen 6-passenger electric auto rickshaw is designed to be low maintenance compared to traditional fuel-powered rickshaws. Since electric motors have fewer moving parts, there's less wear and tear. There's no need for oil changes, fuel refills, or frequent engine repairs, making maintenance costs much lower. All you need to do is keep the battery charged and ensure the brakes and tires are in good condition. Now, let's talk about the target audience for this vehicle. The Qiangshen 6-passenger electric auto rickshaw is perfect for commercial transport services, shared rides, last-mile connectivity, and urban commuting. It is ideal for drivers looking to increase their earnings while keeping operational costs low. Additionally, businesses offering electric mobility solutions can invest in these rickshaws for fleet services. So, is the Qiangshen 6-passenger electric auto rickshaw worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for an eco-friendly, cost-effective, and comfortable transportation option, this model ticks all the boxes. It offers great performance, long battery life, spacious seating, and a smooth driving experience. Plus, with increasing government support for electric vehicles, now is the perfect time to switch to electric auto rickshaws. That wraps up today's episode of Bao Auto Raksha. What do you think about the Qiangshen 6-passenger electric auto rickshaw 2025 model? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content on the latest auto rickshaws, cars, and motorcycles. We'll be back with another exciting review soon.